Let's take a closer look at these Soul Designs Wingback dining room chairs. Now they are 100% polyester and they're made with a solid wood frame. Now the chair is well built, it's lightweight, and it is sturdy. Now the chairs are 25 inches wide and 39 inches high, and they already come full assembled. Now I know they're considered dining room chairs, however, I have purchased 2 of them for my husband and I, and we use them as our desk chairs. They are gray in color, and they do have an assortment of colors to choose from. Now it has a wing backrest design, and it has very sturdy tapered legs, as you can see. It is an armless chair, and it's easier to use when you need to tuck it underneath your desk. The chairs are padded and have a built-in spring seating, which makes it very comfortable to sit in. I'm at my desk a lot, and I can say it is the best desk chair I have ever purchased. And they also came with protectors on the bottom of the chairs, and they work great on natural stone or tile floor. And as you can see, I do have a tile floor. Now, I highly recommend these chairs to anybody that is considering them either for a dining room chair or a desk chair.